In this video, you'll learn how to swap Bitcoin to Solana using the Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully exchange your Bitcoin for Solana in a straightforward manner. To begin, open the Phantom wallet application on your device. If you are using a browser extension, ensure that it is properly installed and that you are logged into your wallet. You should see your wallet dashboard once the application is open. Next, locate and click on the swap option in the main menu. This option is typically found on the dashboard or within a navigation menu. Selecting this will take you to the swap interface where you can choose the cryptocurrencies you wish to exchange. In the swap interface, you will see two boxes labeled from and to. Click on the from box and select Bitcoin from the drop-down menu. This action indicates the cryptocurrency you are exchanging from, and you should see Bitcoin listed among the options. Now click on the to box and select Solana from the drop-down menu. This indicates the cryptocurrency you wish to receive in exchange for your Bitcoin. Once you select Solana, the interface will update to reflect your choice. After selecting both cryptocurrencies, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to swap in the specified field. Be mindful of the amount entered, as it will determine how much Solana you will receive. Ensure that you are aware of any minimum swap limits as well as transaction fees that may apply. Once you've confirmed the amount, click on the review button. This will allow you to review the details of your transaction, including the amounts being swapped and any applicable fees. After reviewing the information, click on swap to proceed with the transaction. At this point, you will need to approve the transaction in the Phantom wallet. A prompt will appear asking for your confirmation. Review the details one last time, then confirm the transaction to finalize the swap. Depending on network conditions, the transaction may take a moment to process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.